If you're an SMA owner, how do you generate referral clients on autopilot with ease? I'm going to get into that in today's video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And here is how I get 30 to 50 extra new clients every single month because of referrals. So make sure you stay tuned, like, comment, subscribe. Let's get into this. So right now, I don't care how many clients you have. You could have 1, you could have 5, you could have 50. Every viable client that has gotten results for at least 2 to 3 months, about 2 to 3 months, depending on your launch dates, depending on your service, depending on how many results they've gotten so far. If they're ever satisfied, if they ever go to you with excitement and say, hey, we're crushing it, you guys are awesome, whatever the case may be, you know, we're doing this, we're doing that, I need you to say this one thing to them. You say, hey, you've been with us for 2 months. I'm really excited to see you getting results. Do you know 5 business owners that, comma, can afford this today and, comma, and would be wanting to work with us or are looking for ad services just like this? If you put me and you with that prospect, 5 people, I'll give you $100 or $200 or $300, whatever incentive you want to give off your next invoice. If you just put me in 5 group chats with 5 different business owners who can afford it and, you know, obviously want to harness the power of paid ads like you, and you can give me that testimonial and referral and they close, I'll give you $100 per person that closes or something like that. The reason why this works, and I actually have like a separate phone just for all the group chats. The amount of clients that I close off referral is like actually nuts. And they're easy to get to obviously pay because you're in this group chat and they're just like, hey, you know, let's say the prospect's John. Say, hey John, you know, this is Jason, he runs my ads. You know, we've only been running ads for a week and he did X, Y, and Z. I know you run an XYZ company. I want you to sign up with him. How would you like to move forward? And then I go in there and say, hey, great to connect, John. Excited to see, you know, how we can scale your business as well with paid ads. What time can you chat today? Or something like that. And then you get them on the phone and the close is easy because also you would have your client like go to the person before that and be like, hey, you know, I have this person that runs my ads, you know, can you afford X amount of money right now? If I put you guys in a group chat, would you be willing to move forward with him? You know, he's done this and this and this and this in my business. You pre-qualify, go in the group chat, they already know the price. So the price objection's out the air. Now it's just a matter of, here's my niche and when can I expect results or what kind of results can I expect? Those are the only 2 objections that you have left. And then from there, you're closing people. Also, what you can do is that you can say, hey, you know, if it is a price objection, you were a referral. So what I can do for both of you is that if you move forward, you can save your friend money now. You can both take $250 off monthly or whatever the case may be to keep the train going. And that's a good way to really hit that price objection on a referral is that, you know, every business owner, yeah, you have friends that are kind of doing like you are, but not everybody's exactly where they are. You know, so this person, that's my client, might be making 30K a month. This person might be making 15. The investment mindset is completely different. You know, $2,000 a month to this guy is a lot different than, you know, this person. So being able to justify that, you know, give some type of incentive, whatever the case may be. Plus, if I'm able to save them both, this client knows that he's still getting a $100 referral fee. So that's like the biggest piece of that. And also, if they put me in 5 group chats, they know I'm gonna close all 5 because they know my reputation. They just know the overall result of just how I move, how I navigate the space. I close about 90% of referrals, so that's what I also use as well in the text. I'm like, hey, you know, also just so you know, I close 90% of referrals and usually I'm sending people $300, $400, something like that, where you can like give them an expected result. So that's kind of how I navigate the referral space. The other piece is now you have this dedicated client who now just gave you a dedicated client who just got associated, we call it association selling. It's when someone says something and you just listen and buy without really knowing much. So, you know, that's why a lot of people buy from me because I'm just vetted by some very big entrepreneurs like, you know, Jason Capital, Craig Ballantine, like all these guys that you guys watch online, a lot of them have vetted me. So like that association selling is what gets a lot of people to come into my ecosystem. So you have this one client now, you got to think about this. You have the first client who's already getting results, they're not going to leave. Second client comes on board. If they do qualify and they're a good prospect, have a good sales process, and they already have ads running and they're getting results, now you have this second person that after 2 months now, you got 5 friends who are, you know, business owners as well. And now you just keep this web going. And it really just comes down to really proper fulfillment, good communication, and overall good service. So this system is really, really good for people who have like a massively high retention rate who are able to get results. You know, they're not really using a big team. They're more so taking all the projects one-on-one, but you're able to have higher profit margins and, you know, keep people around longer. So hope this video helps you if you're looking to get more referral clients and not spend as much money on paid ads. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Peace.